Hey there, Trina Elsleger here, wanting to share quickly with you how to host a fast and fun express party on Facebook. This is a multi-host group. So usually there are about 5 hosts, and all you need to do, I will send and walk you through each step. So no big deal at all. The inviting part is the most important. Your job as a host is to invite and excite, and I walk you through each step. So first of all, go on your timeline if you haven't already done that and create a post with a picture or a short video about why you love Norwex or why you're excited for this party, and try to get other people's feedback on what they like about Norwex or if they've heard about Norwex. So do that on your regular timeline and you will find that you have more people to invite than you know you do, okay? Also, start reaching out to people right away. I'll send you the verbiage for this on if they want to come to your party. So what we're doing is we're actually opening up this group on Wednesday, and that way people have time to start asking for samples if they're new to Norwex. And on Monday, we'll actually start posting and getting the party started. So Monday morning, I'll go live really quickly to explain how the party works. Monday night at 8 p.m., I will go live. It's only 15 minutes, but I'll be doing demos and answering questions and giving away a free prize to those who come. I mean, it's raffling. I'll raffle a free prize to those who are there. Anyone who orders from the party after we open up the ordering will go into a final raffle drawing for a free cloth. So everybody can be in 2 raffles, and there are excellent host and customer specials. And I'm here to answer any questions that you have as we go. So if you're ready to start inviting personally, this is super, super important that you invite personally with a private message and not from within the group. I will send you info on how to do that. Just say the keyword strawberries. Then I will know that you saw this short video and that you're ready to go. Can't wait.